Hey everyone! So your Facebook account got permanently disabled? Don't panic, I'll show you how to try and recover it. Alright, first thing, open your browser on your Android phone and search for Disabled Facebook Account Recovery. Look for the official Facebook Help Center link in the results and tap on it. This takes you to Facebook's help page about disabled accounts. Scroll down until you see Was this helpful and tap No. Then select This solution doesn't work. A text box will pop up where you can message Facebook support directly. Here's what you need to write. Hello Facebook team, I need assistance recovering my disabled account. Here's my information. Email, your email, phone, your phone number, username, if you remember it, contact email, where Facebook can reach you. Make sure you fill all that info accurately. It helps Facebook verify it's actually your account. Once you've typed everything in, tap Submit. Your request goes straight to Facebook's review team. Now, here's the thing. You just have to wait. Facebook will review your case and email you at the contact address you provided. This can take anywhere from a few days to a couple weeks, so be patient. When they email you back, just follow whatever instructions they give you to recover your account. And that's it. It's not guaranteed, but this is your best shot at getting your disabled Facebook account back.